Good morning, children. Welcome to session 17. Right? In 16th session, you have written about assignment about land-water relationship, altitude, upper atmosphere, circulation. Right? Fine. Yes. Today we go in depth what is land-water relationship, how the climate depends on land-water relationship that we discussed today. In earlier classes, we have discussed about the climatic conditions which is in India, right? Now we discuss about the few things which are depends on how the climate will change. Now this is a brief part, okay, and no need to do any assignment for today's session. 17th session, because you have written the assignment for this in 16th session only. Okay, today just I'll go with the explanation part. Yeah. See here, there is a map and everything which I said yesterday. You can observe that. By observing that map, you can go through the class whatever I am explaining now. Look at map of India showing land cover and water bodies, and you will see the another important factor which has an influence on climate. Yes, the land water is much influencing the climate. అంటే land water నుంచి కూడా మనకి climatic conditions అనేవి చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి అని చెప్తున్నాను. How it will be and what is the changes will happen in a climate, we'll look into it. The land and water relationship, the amount of sunlight that is first observed and then radiated back or directly reflected depends on the nature of the surface. Yes, obviously the water will be absorbed by the sunlight, right? And the darker areas such as heavily vegetated regions tend to be good observers. Light areas such as snow and ice covered regions tend to be good reflectors. Yes, most of the cases what will happen, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడమ్మా, the water absorbed will be sunshine, right? The hotness of a sun will be observed, the water, right? The water will be decreases, and in the same way this affects climate in many ways. ఇలా అవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందమ్మా, sun అనేది, yes, sun will absorb continuously the water, right? Due to this observance also the climatic changes will be done in many ways అని చెప్తున్నాడు. Right now if you see outside it is very hot, right? Obviously the water will be absorbed by sunshine because of a huge or heavy heat by sunshine. And he have given two diagrams here. Okay, here what is mentioned in the diagram you can see in your textbook or whatever I have given in your WhatsApp kind, right? In the WhatsApp I mentioned clearly about the notes. You can go through with these images and try to learn them. Here, after large part of southern India, because of its long coastline, comes under the moderating influence of the sea. As such, the difference between the temperature of day and night and that of summer and winter is not much. Yes, if you observe, the temperature will be not much in a winter, right? And this is known as equable climate. Equable climate. And there will be no much temperature will be changed in these seasons. If we compare similar places on the same latitude and altitude, we can appreciate the effect of the sea. Yes, ఏంటంటే altitude latitude changes కూడా తక్కువ ఉంటాయని చెప్తున్నాడు. Altitude and latitude changes, ఈ changes వల్ల it will be having effect on sea. అంతేమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు క్లైమాటిక్ చేంజెస్ చేంజ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, సీ వేస్ అని అవి కూడా సీ మీద కూడా ఓషన్స్ మీద దేర్ విల్ బి మోర్ ఎఫెక్ట్. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే మా ల్యాండ్ వాటర్ కి క్లైమేట్ కి డిఫరెంట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్స్ అంటే, yes, most of the climatic conditions will be depends on a land water observation by a sunshine. Yeah, and if we come to altitude, ల్యాండ్ వాటర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ అంటే మనకి ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ గా చెప్తుంటారు కదమ్మా, క్లైమాటిక్ కండిషన్స్, రెయిన్స్ విల్ బి మోర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఓషన్స్ అవర్ సీస్, అంటే బంగాళాఖాతంలో సమ్ వాయుగుండం అని అంటారు చూసారా. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ only the climatic conditions will be changed totally, and we see the climatic changes in the form of rains. Now altitude, what is that? We have learned the temperature decreases as altitude increases. Yes, altitude increase అవుతున్నప్పుడల్లా temperature అనేది decrease అవుతూ ఉంటుంది అంటారు. Hence hills and mountains will have lower temperature than locations on the plain. Yes, hills and mountains లో తక్కువ టెంపరేచర్ ఉంటుంది when you compare with the general locations. Therefore relief or altitude of a region influences the climate of the area. Obviously altitude వల్ల ఏమవుతుంటే the climatic conditions of an area or land will be decreases or changes. You would have heard about several hill stations of the Himalaya region like, మనం జనరల్ గా హిమాలయ రీజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవి ఏంటి అంటే షిమ్లా, వెరీ కూల్ ప్లేస్. నెక్స్ట్ గుల్మార్గ్ and Nainital and Darjeeling. What these areas will give up the solution, we'll see now. The hill stations like Himalayan region like Shimla, Gulmarg, Nainital and Darjeeling as places that have a cool climate even during the peak summer months. చూసారా, ఇలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో, ఇలాంటి ఏరియాస్ లో, even though if it is a hot summer, right, we will have very cool climate in these places. Yes, నువ్వు ఎనీ టైం లో వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఇయర్ మొత్తంలో ఈ ప్లేసెస్ లో కూల్ క్లైమేట్ ఉంటుంది అంటారు. ఎందుకనంటే the sea levels are very near to these, and similarly Kodaikanal and Udagam Ooty is nothing but Ooty and Kodaikanal have cooler climate compared to places near the coast. Near the coast lo unna Ooty gaani, right, and Kodaikanal ఈ ప్లేసుల్లో కూడా క్లైమేట్ అనేది వెరీ కూల్ గా ఉంటుందమ్మా. వై మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నియరెస్ట్ టు ది కోస్టల్ ప్లేసెస్, రైట్. అండ్ అప్పర్ అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ సర్క్యులేషన్, ద నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ next part will be, how the climate changes will be apart from land water relationship. We have one more, that is upper atmospheric circulation. Upper atmospheric circulation, right. What is that? We'll see now. In the northern hemisphere, subtropical high pressure belt gives rise to permanent winds. Yes, northern hemisphere side lo ఏమవుతుందన్నమ్మా, ఇక్కడ హై ప్రెషర్ తో ఉన్న పర్మనెంట్ విండ్స్ అనేవి ఫ్లో అవుతున్నాయి. దే బ్లో టువర్డ్స్ ది ఈక్వటోరియల్ లో ప్రెషర్ బెల్ట్ బై రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ది వెస్ట్ అండ్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ట్రేడ్ విండ్స్. ట్రేడ్ విండ్స్ అనేవి ఎందుకు పిలుస్తామంటే మనము టువర్డ్స్ వెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఈ లో ప్రెషర్ తో ఉండే ఈక్వటోరియల్ క్లైమాటిక్ చేంజెస్ will flow and will gives us a trade winds. The German word trade means track. German word trade is nothing but track. Generally German word lo track antamu, but in our language we call it as a trade winds. Again go with the trade winds and stands for blowing steadily in the same direction and in a constant course. Yes, ee trade winds ante constant ga winds అనేవి ఫ్లో అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఒకే లెవెల్ లో, సేమ్ లెవెల్ గా ఫ్లో అవుతూ ఉంటాయి ట్రేడ్ విండ్స్. అండ్ India lies in the belt of dry northeast trade winds. India ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ అవుతుంది అంటే it is in the northeast trade wind side flow అవుతుంది, right? Northeast trade wind side India అనేది flow అవుతుంది. The climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currents known as jet streams. India యొక్క climatic changes ఎలా అవుతాయంటే due to jet streams. So what is jet streams? We'll see. Jet streams, these are fast flowing air currents in a narrow belt in the upper atmosphere. Jet streams are ఏంటంటే fast గా మూవ్ అయ్యే air winds. Okay, that is about 12,000 meter. 12,000 meter की above లో ఈ jet streams అనేవి flow అవుతూ ఉంటాయి very fastest. The speed varies from about 110 km per hour in summer. Summer లో 110 km per hour flow అవుతుందమ్మా. Okay, that too in summer. In summer and about to 184 km in winter. 184 km per hour వచ్చేసి in winter లో flow అవుతాయమ్మా ఈ trade winds అనేవి. I mean there will be a difference. And easterly jet stream develops at about 25 degrees north latitude. Okay, ఈ jet streams అనేవి eastern side 24 degrees north latitude తో flow అవుతుంటాయి. And a jet stream causes the neighboring atmosphere to cool. Because of the jet streams, the atmosphere will become cool. Okay, జనరల్ చూస్తాం కదా వీధులు గాలులు అంటారు చూసారా, హెవీ విండ్స్ అనేవి వచ్చినప్పుడు మన ఏరియా అంతా చల్లబడిపోతుంది. బిఫోర్ we get the rain we feel the coolness with the flowing with the winds that we can call as the jet streams. This cooling effect of the easterly jet stream causes rain from clouds already found over this latitude 25 degrees north. చెప్పాను కదా ముందు వర్షం వచ్చే ముందు మనకి బాగా వీధులు గాలులు రావడము, రైట్, బాగా హెవీ స్టార్మ్స్ రావడము, క్లైమేట్ అంతా కూల్ అయిపోవడం. దాని తర్వాత obviously the clouds whatever we have in upper stream will become into the water and we'll see in the form of a rain. That is the upper atmospheric circulation. The changes will happen in upper way with the clouds, with the streams, with the winds, and it will flow into the form of a rain into the on the ground. And okay, I think till here you have written there is a season, winter season. Okay, we'll discuss about the general topic on winter season, right? Generally rainy season, summer season, winter season. Now we are in the winter season, very cool, right? Yes, we have to we think that we should be in a very hot place, right? How winter season will be happening? Again, due to the climatic changes will happen in all the areas that we see in the different places. Based on that, the climatic changes will be happen in across the India, right? In across India, most of the climatic changes are same because there is no difference. Once we see the difference between the climatic changes and the rainy season, summer season, winter season, everything will be same. There is no difference, right? And now just it's a revision kind. Here what I am saying, first thing that due to climatic changes is land water relationship. And though the observation by the sun, the land will be the water will be observed by sun and it will be make us to get a climatic changes. And later part upper atmospheric circulation. Here we can see on a board that there will be a different types of streams that happen. It will give us the rain. Okay, and next altitude. Again, this gives us a flow of different climatic changes in the atmosphere. Yes, everything will be depends on atmospheric changes. Nothing else here we could see. Fine. And here Fine. This is the general brief about the atmospheric changes. Later part we can see more. Right. Now don't do any assignment on this because you are done. Just go through the my class whatever I explained. It's a own topics that I have given. If you want more any information, we can go to the next topics. We have more topics like winter season, how winter season will be differ from climatic changes that we discuss in later class. There is no issues. We can get into the all topics. Okay. Don't do any assignment. Just go through these points, and you can chat me in WhatsApp if you are facing any doubt. Okay. నేను చాట్ చేయడమ్మా వాట్సాప్లో. Okay, whenever your parents are available. Okay, take their mobile and you can call me or message me if you are any doubts. I'll explain. Fine. Fine now. Then we'll meet in the 18th session with how the winter season is changing and how the winter season is going to depend on the climatic changes. Yep. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.